Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a diet smoothie for weight loss. We'll start with the foundational elements. First, select a low-calorie liquid base, such as unsweetened almond milk or plain water, about 1 cup. Next, add 1 cup of leafy greens like spinach or kale. These are packed with vitamins. Then, include half a cup of your favorite fruit, perhaps berries or a small banana, for natural sweetness and fiber. Finally, blend in 1 scoop of protein powder to help you feel full and support muscle health. Now, let's enhance your smoothie with fiber and healthy fats, crucial for sustained energy and satiety. Add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds or ground flax seeds. These are fiber powerhouses. For healthy fats and a wonderfully creamy texture, incorporate about 1/4 of an avocado. You might also consider a small handful of nuts like almonds for extra protein and beneficial fats. These additions will keep you feeling satisfied for hours, preventing unnecessary snacking and supporting your weight loss goals. Making your smoothie delicious is key to sticking with your diet plan. You can boost flavor naturally with a dash of cinnamon, a pinch of ginger, or 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder. It's important to avoid added sugars. If you need extra sweetness, a few drops of stevia can be a great alternative. Don't be afraid to experiment with various fruit and vegetable combinations to keep things exciting. For convenience, pre-portion your ingredients into freezer bags, making morning blending a breeze. To ensure your diet smoothie journey is successful, here are some final tips. Always use a high-speed blender to achieve that perfectly smooth, consistent texture. For maximum nutrient absorption, drink your smoothie immediately after blending. For effective weight management, consider replacing 1 meal per day with your nutritious smoothie. Remember, these smoothies are a fantastic tool, but they work best when combined with an overall balanced diet and consistent physical activity for optimal health and weight loss results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.